Alright, my tenant moved out after 8 years. Let's go in, take a look at this. Looks like the dog had some fun there. So I've owned this for, I think, about 10 years. And this tenant has been here for 8 of those years. A little bit of dog hair. The tenant on the other side's been there, I'd say 5 or 6 years at least too. So I haven't been up here a lot. It's a nice view. The yard sucks, but the view is good. Not sure what's going on the ceiling, those spots. This is one of those rooms where they didn't put in a light fixture and one of the outlets is switched. I don't know which one it is. I tried that one, it was the wrong one. So you need that kind of light. We got a vacuum. Pretty sure this carpet's going to need replaced or put in some vinyl. Love these bifold doors that never work. Water heater's 3 years old. Always check to make sure these shutoffs aren't dripping. They're not. That's nice. Don't look in the toilet. I already tell this is going to be fun. Hey, we got a broom. I just picked up 2 brooms in the dustpan, the last one. So last year on this hill, I spent 11 grand to get it fixed because the retaining wall was falling down. So, or the hill was slipping, causing the retaining wall to fall down. So I had to add drainage and get the hill reshaped. And the year before that, I spent 8 grand on the roof here. So just a couple years, almost 20 grand. This thing's all bent up. Dare I look in the fridge? At least it's cold. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Dog hair. Wow. A few bugs in that light. That's a nice patch. I didn't do that. So the real thing I'm trying to figure out is what I'm going to do with all these doors, these bifolds. It does have plenty of closet space up here. Not sure what that is for, why that's like that. It's different. I think I'm going to need a smoke detector. Wow. This bathroom's depressing. Why would you ever put in a beige tub and toilet? Look how close that is to the toilet. That's like to the center. It's like under 12 inches. It's too big a vanity for in here. This room is a disaster. More bifolds. It's a huge closet though. Goes all the way back. Well, I got to figure out what I'm going to do here. I'd love to hear any thoughts that you may have on what to do with all the doors in here. I'm thinking about just replacing them. I don't know what I'm going to do with the bifolds. If I'm going to replace them, just paint them, or put in sliders. I'm not sure. Probably in this laundry area, definitely need a bifold so you can get your laundry in and out of the dryer, or washer and into the dryer. I got a little bit of figuring out to do. If you guys have any thoughts, please leave in the comments below. And if you want to see the after video, subscribe to my channel and I'll post it. See you guys.